Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. Apple Intelligence is Apple's biggest shift since the App Store, and many Americans are using it every day without realizing how powerful it actually is. This isn't just AI added to iPhone. Apple Intelligence changes how your iPhone understands you, protects your privacy, and saves you time in ways most users haven't explored yet. Here are 10 things Apple Intelligence can do on your iPhone that most Americans don't know about, and why they matter in real life. Tarp 1. Your iPhone can rewrite your messages in different tones. Apple Intelligence lets your iPhone rewrite texts, emails, and notes in different styles: professional, friendly, or straight to the point. That means you can quickly turn a casual text into a work-ready email or soften a message before sending it. For Americans juggling work, family, and social life, this feature alone can save minutes every day and prevent awkward misunderstandings. 2. Siri finally understands natural American speech. This isn't the old robot Siri. Apple Intelligence allows Siri to understand natural pauses, corrections, and conversational language. You can change your mind mid-sentence, and Siri keeps up. Say something like, "Text John, I'll be late." Actually make that 15 minutes, and Siri knows exactly what you mean. For American users who rely on hands-free driving and multitasking, this is a major upgrade. 3. Your iPhone summarizes long emails and notifications. If you're tired of opening long emails, news alerts, or group chats, Apple Intelligence can summarize them instantly. Instead of scrolling through paragraphs, your iPhone shows you the key points in plain English. This is especially useful for Americans dealing with work emails, school updates, travel alerts, or breaking news throughout the day. 4. Photos can be found using normal language. You no longer need to remember dates or locations. With Apple Intelligence, you can search your Photos app using natural phrases like "photos of my dog at the beach" or "pictures from Christmas with family." For Americans with thousands of photos from vacations, kids' events, and holidays, this makes finding memories fast and frustration-free. 5. Your iPhone can remove distractions from photos. Apple Intelligence can clean up photos by removing unwanted background objects, people, signs, or clutter without needing third-party apps. It's built directly into the Photos experience. This is perfect for Americans who post on social media, sell items online, or just want cleaner personal photos without paying for extra editing software. 6. It helps you write smarter without sounding fake. Unlike generic AI tools, Apple Intelligence is designed to sound like you. Whether you're writing a job application, a school email, or a customer complaint, it improves clarity without making your message sound robotic. For American professionals, students, and small business owners, this means better communication without losing authenticity. 7. Apple Intelligence works offline more than you think. Many Apple Intelligence features run directly on your iPhone, not in the cloud. That means faster responses, better reliability, and stronger privacy, even when you don't have perfect internet. For Americans traveling, commuting, or living in areas with spotty service, this is a huge advantage over cloud-only AI tools. 8. Your privacy is protected by design. Apple Intelligence is built around privacy. Personal data stays on your device whenever possible, and even cloud processing uses private encrypted systems that Apple can't access. In a time when many Americans are worried about data tracking and surveillance, this privacy-first approach is a major reason Apple Intelligence stands out from competitors. 9. It understands what's on your screen. Apple Intelligence can act based on what you're currently looking at. If you're reading an article, viewing an event, or looking at a message, it can summarize, suggest actions, or help you respond instantly. This context-aware intelligence makes your iPhone feel less like a tool and more like a personal assistant that actually pays attention. 10. It gets smarter over time without you noticing. The more you use Apple Intelligence, the better it understands your preferences. Without building creepy profiles or selling your data, it adapts quietly in the background. For Americans who value convenience but don't want to micromanage settings, this set-it-and-forget-it intelligence is exactly what modern smartphones needed. Why Apple Intelligence matters for Americans right now. Apple Intelligence isn't about flashy AI tricks. It's about making everyday life easier, writing faster, searching smarter, communicating better, and staying private. For American iPhone users, this means less time staring at screens and more time actually living. And the best part? Most of these features are already on your iPhone. You just didn't know how much it could really do. Apple didn't just add AI, they made the iPhone finally feel intelligent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.